Hello everybody. So today my phone got the black screen. I cannot turn on my display. My phone is on right now. You can see sometimes my lights down here, the menu button and the backlight comes on sometimes. Give it a second here. And these top, there you go again, but these top notification lights are not coming on right now. So let's do this. What we're going to do is basically what's called it's a hard reboot actually, not a hard reset. What you want to do is we want to hold down the volume down button and the power button simultaneously, okay? See, and phone is not coming on at all, okay? So I'm going to hold these two buttons down. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Press and hold, and I'm going to continue to hold this until my phone totally reboots. And this should get my phone back up and running. And there you go, and it is finally on. And let me just go ahead and let this boot up all the way, just so that you can see. Now this is the second time this happened to my Samsung Galaxy S7, and I've had this phone for about like 2 months now. And anyways, I've had a lot of these previous phones that same thing happens to, even with the iPhones. And to basically fix any of those issues, it's always a certain hard key combination to get that up and running. And that's pretty much it. If this helped you, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. Thanks. Bye.